carry on over to Maddie's Armoire next, and this is from Nikki. So let's check it out. We got Maddie's Armoire welcomes you to vintage and creativity. Let's see here. So we have a question from Nida. Do you recommend having several stores if your products are not related, like bookmarks, bag charms, and keychains? My crazy idea. I don't have a store yet. No, not really. I think those are similar enough. Bookmarks, bag charms, and keychains. Those are kind of similar accessories. So I don't think they need to have their own stores. In a lot of cases, you really don't need to have multiple stores unless your products are literally so different that it'd be weird that they were the same store. Like if you're selling, I'm not really sure, but I think those could all go inside the same store. In most cases, you don't need to have multiple stores. So let's get back to Maddie's Armoire. We are a mother and daughter team. We want to make your shopping experience one that is enjoyable and memorable. All right. Love it, love it, love it. So let's check out what you have. Looks kind of almost like a thrift shop. Got a lot of different products here. We've got the Bombay Company 1990 small jewelry box. Okay, I like the photos with the measurements. And very cute, fancy red velvet. The bottom. Oh, and it comes out too. Very nice. Okay, that's a great little product. It looks cute. So let's check this keyword out here. Bombay Company 1990 small jewelry box. My guess is, I don't know if this is like something really popular. So there's a few results for it, but I don't know if it's like the best keyword for you. 740 results. You might just want to use the keyword like vintage jewelry box. And there we go. That's a big keyword. 135,000 results. So much more results. A lot of products there. A lot of things in that keyword there. So that's a better keyword for you because the first one we saw, Bombay Company 1990, only got 740 results. So that is really going to do better in your description, which you have it already. Bombay Company 1990 wood jewelry box with red velvet interior. All good details there. And I'm in the United States, so that's why it's so expensive. So I would go ahead and I would use this keyword here, vintage jewelry box. But you might even want to go smaller. You might even want to do like vintage wood jewelry box. That's got 38,000. So let's try vintage wood jewelry box. And we've got 38,000. 38,711. So even beyond that, you might want to try and go a little bit smaller. Bombay Company. Let's try vintage wood velvet jewelry box. So you see, guys, you just keep adding more details to the keyword to make it smaller and smaller. And now we've got a great keyword. 3,028 results. A really good keyword. Wood velvet. And then we had vintage wood velvet. Vintage wood velvet jewelry box. And that gives us 3,028 results. So that keyword's going to do much better for you. And I would recommend doing that that practice on all of your products is just finding the best keywords possible. So we've got crochet cushion covers. These are really cute. And so for this one here, okay, we got one photo of it actually on a pillow. I would recommend taking that photo and probably moving it to like my second photo. And maybe even on this photo right here, I think it would look better if it was actually inside of a pillow, if it was, or a pillow was inside of it, because then you could really see clearly how big it is. It gives you a little bit more perspective on it.